How to spotlight a specific speaker in a Teams meeting. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can pin a particular speaker, or let's say you want to spotlight a particular person for everyone within the meeting. So, if your meeting has a single speaker who will be presenting all of the facts and all of the agendas of the meeting, and you would like them to pin for everyone, or you would like them to spotlight for everyone so that they can have a larger view of them and could also see on what's going on their side. So let me show you how you can do this. So the steps are fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply go to that person's style. So for example, let's say this is the person whom I want to spotlight for everyone, and then you can simply right click onto them. And once you will do, you will see three options. The first one is just to pin for me, just for myself, and the second one is spotlight for everyone, so you can highlight this video for everyone in the meeting. And the third option is fit to frame, so you will need to choose the second option, that is spotlight for everyone. And once you will do this, it will give you a confirmation that says you will highlight this video for everyone in the meeting. You can click onto this spotlight for everyone, and now they will be set as a spotlight for each and everyone present in the meeting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.